ladies and gentlemen. Today we going to see another presentation from Isnaini Firmani about financial statement of a manufacturing company. Ready, Isnaini?
Ready.
Okay, thanks.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today in this presentation. My name is Isnaini Firmani. I will explain the financial statement of a manufacturing company. Next. What is financial statement? Financial statement a report of a company's financial activities or event. They are very important tools for obtaining information related to the company's financial position and the result that have been achieved by the company. What are manufacturing company? A manufacturing company is a business that produce goods by transforming raw materials into finished product through the use of labor and machinery. Next, what are the types of manufacturing inventory? The first, raw material. Raw material are the basic inputs used to produce goods. They have not been processed yet. The second, work in process. Work in process refer to partially complete products that are still in the production process. The third, finished good. Finished goods are complete products that are ready for sale to customer. Next. Why are financial statement of a manufacturing company important? The first, assessing production efficiency. They help determine whether the cost of material, labor, and manufacturing overhead are being used efficiently in the production process. The second, measuring profitability. Financial statements show whether the manufacturing operation are generating profit or incurring loss. The third, inventory control. Manufacturing companies manage three critical types of inventory: raw material, work in process, and finished good, sales of which carry significant value and must be monitored carefully. Next, how is prepare financial statement of a manufacturing company? One, prepare cost of goods manufactured. Two, prepare cost of goods sold. Three, prepare income statement. Four, prepare statement of change in equity. Five, prepare balance sheet. Six, prepare cash flow statement. Next. Example, financial statement of manufacturing company, Taylor Swift Company. Description, beginning raw material inventory on debit of 1,000. Raw material purchase on debit of 5,000. Total raw material available on debit of 6,000. Ending raw material inventory on credit of 6. If of of five 5,200 direct labor on debit 2,000 manufacturing overhead on debit of 1,000 total manufacturing cost 8,200 beginning work in process 500 total 8,700 ending work in process 300 cost of goods sold manufactured 8,400. Example cost of goods sold description beginning finishing good inventory inventory is 700 cost of goods sold manufacture 8,400 good available for sale 9,300 ending finished good inventory on credit of 1,200 cost of goods sold 8,100. Next example in income statement description and net sales 12,000 cost of goods sold on credit of 8,100 gross profit 3,900 operating expense on credit of 1,500 net income 2,400. Next example statement of change in equity description beginning equity 10,000 net income 2,400 dividends dividends on credit of 500 ending equity 11,900. Next example balance sheet. The statement present the company financial position total asset amount to 80,300 consisting of current asset and fixed asset. The assets are financed by liabilities of 6,400 and ending equity of 11,900. Both sides balanced at 18,300. Next, the last slide example cash flow statement. Cash flow from operation activity 3,000. Cash flow from investing activity 1,000. Cash flow from financial activity on credit of 500. The company experienced a cash increase of 1,500 rupiah because the cash generated from operation was greater than the cash used for investing and financial. Okay, guys. So any question? Okay.
Thank you. My name is Ananda Amalia, and my question is, what are the main financial statements prepared by manufacturing companies?
The financial report prepared by manufacturing company are prepare cost of goods manufactured, prepare cost of goods sold, prepare income statement, prepare statement of change in equity, prepare balance sheet, prepare cash flow statement.
Why manufacturing companies need adjusting schedules like cost of goods sold?
Manufacturing company nets cost of good manufactured on and cost of goods sold schedule because they convert raw material into the finished good, which requires calculation that the tile production cost. Meanwhile, trading companies don't produce good. They only buy and resell. So they use a simpler cost of goods sold calculation without needing a cost of good manufactured.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for question. Any question, guys?
So thank you for the. So my name is Muhammad Alfiarianto, and my question is, what is raw material in manufacturing company?
Raw material are the basic input used to produce goods that have not been processed yet.
Can you give the sample of raw material?
For example, fabric that has not been turned into anything yet. It's still unit material.
Is water is classified as raw material?
Okay, can you speak louder?
Yes. Why?
Can you repeat? I can hear your question.
First question or first, second or third? Can you give the sample of raw material?
It depends the company type. If it drink company, then yes, water is raw material.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Thank you for question. Any question, guys?
Okay, so thank you, Isna. So my question is, what are the three main sections of the cash flow statements?
The first operating activities, the second investing activities, and the third financial activity.
So why is cash flow from operating activities considered the most important?
Because it shows whether the company can generate enough cash from its main business to sustain operation.
Okay, thank you, Isma.
Thank you for question. Any question, guys?
My name is Mardiana. My question: what is a manufacturing company?
A manufacturing company is a business that produce goods by transforming raw material into finished product through the use of labor and machinery.
So, what is the difference between a manufacturing company and a trading company?
A manufacturing company makes product, meanwhile a trading company sells product.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any question, guys?
Four, sir.
Let's open the topic. Can you open the title? Financial statement of a manufacturing company. Financial statement of a manufacturing company. Dari sini banyak pertanyaannya. Lots of questions. Tak dalami dulu. Financial statement of a manufacturing company. Is there any financial statement of trading company? Yes or no? Is there any financial statement of manufacturing company? Trading company, yes. Trading company. Or service company.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why? Why? Ini logika dasar ini. Saya langsung menjawab ini. Atau ada yang bisa jawab, kalau tidak bisa dijawab. Why? Saya bantu jawab. To differentiate between financial statement of manufacturing company and financial statement of trading company, and to differentiate between financial statement and financial statement of service company. There are three companies, kinds of company. Trading, service, and manufacturing. Right or right? Correct or correct? Correct. Pertanyaan dasar tuh. Why do you have to differentiate? Why do you have to differentiate? Because there are three. Jawaban mendasar sekali. Because there are at least three kinds of company. Trading, service, and manufacturing. These three companies, these three kinds of companies are different. And so we have to make financial statement for each. And so we know different companies, different characteristics, results, different treatment, different purpose. Ya kan? Pertanyaan dasar, men. Siapa bilang salah pertanyaanku? For example, is it correct if I have three kinds of companies, trading, service, and manufacturing, then I make only one financial statement? Do you agree? Do you agree? Do you agree? I have three kinds of company. I am the owner of the three kinds of company. Saya punya 3 perusahaan. Manufacturing, trading, and services. And I make only one financial statement. Financial report. Financial plan, financial report. Am I correct? Am I right? Apakah saya benar?
Oh, God.
Yes! You got it! Salah kalau saya kamu. Why? 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 Different companies, different characteristics. Sampai dunia kiamat, 3 macam company ini tidak bisa digabung. Laporan keuangannya siapa bilang bisa? Bisa tapi salah. Betul apa betul?
Betul.
Tidak ada pertanyaan aneh-aneh pertanyaan. Itulah yang Anda terapkan. Siapa penjelasannya apapun topiknya. Yes. Pertanyaan-pertanyaan seperti ini kalau kita masukkan lagi, aplikasikan lagi ke mata kuliah lain, bisa salah. Kenapa? Logika. Jadi semakin bagus logika Anda, semakin mendasar, semakin bagus kemungkinan hasil pelajaran Anda. Dari semester pertama sampai semester akhir tidak ada pembelajaran logika. Tidak ada. Adanya hanya di bahasa Inggris. Ya, menerapkan pertanyaan what, why, and how, where. Kalau Anda laksanakan terapkan pertanyaan seperti yang kita demonstrasikan ke mata kuliah lain, hampir pasti penguasaan materi yang Anda bagus. Tidak yakin? Silakan terapkan mata kuliah lain. Mengagetkan. Dan kita belajar itu logika. Kalau Anda belajar menghafal, ada saatnya Anda jenuh. Kenapa? Terlalu banyak informasi di kepala Anda. Berapa tadi penanya? Okay. You can close your
Conclusion, the financial statement of Taylor Swift Company show a complete picture of the company's performance and financial position. The cost of goods manufacture and cost of goods sold. Calculation reveal how production costs flow into the cost of goods sold. The income statement shows that the company generated a net profit of 2,400. The statement of change in equity reflects how this profit increases equity after dividends. Finally, the balance sheet confirms that total assets of 18,300 are fully supported by liabilities and equity in the same amount, indicating a balanced and stable financial position. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.